I told you he'll cup, right?
Thought he is in form, da. That's why.
Back form, da. He's such an inconsistent guy.
Yeah. Acha, pass it, Jagda.
Dude, are you a freshie?
Yeah.
Come here, da. Put intro, da.
My name is Manish Kumar Shaki. Oh, my nick is Manish Kumar Shaki. I am from Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh.
My hostel is Namada Hostel.
Narmada.
Yeah. My department is Civil Engineering Department.
Wait. How many hot chicks are there in your class?
6 or 7.
Decent. Go on.
My hobbies are playing football, cricket, like drawing, painting. I quit because of studies.
Pack all that, da. Tell me something interesting. Something interesting you did in your life.
Interesting. I have some interesting things.
Dude, just tell me one interesting thing in your life.
Getting into IIT is the most interesting. IIT is the most.
What's so interesting about that?
IIT is probably the best college in our country. I think there are many opportunities which I cannot get in other colleges. I can do a lot more things here.
What opportunities there?
I just came here. I don't know everything.
Name some, da. Name those you want to get involved with.
Like Shastra, Sarang, other technical events like Litsoc, Taxoc.
Let's talk a technical event.
Oh, sorry, literal event.
Go on.
Events like Inter-Hostel Fighter, Speaking Club, Astronomy Club.
Speaking club. The only people who know about these are the guys who told you about these. Go on.
NSS.
Do you know what happens in NSS? Nothing. Do you know who joins NSS? Those who don't get into NSO.
Are you done with the list or do you have any more names to say?
I will.
What's I will, da?
Some mighty for villages.
Dude, you seriously think you'll have time to do all these things?
You dream of so many things, you end up doing nothing.
I just want to do a lot of things.
Do you remember that there are ACAD?
Yeah,
Then, do you think you can manage all the things?
I will plan to manage.
Nice try, dude. You beat me after some 2 months. Let's see how many of these you did.
It's just that I want to do a lot of things I couldn't done before. I don't want to be like others.
What's wrong with the others?
I don't mean like that. It's just that I want to try a lot
You
of
just
things.
said you don't want to be like the others. How are the others?
I don't mean like that.
No, da. Please, enlighten us.
I thought people here would be more active, interested. They would participate in a lot of things. I thought people here would be more enthusiastic.
What's wrong with you? Just because you're into all sorts of things doesn't mean everybody has to. You can't tell people what to do.
I am nobody to tell. But I thought it would be nice if they are more interested.
You're a specimen, da. Do you realize that?
Dude, do you know we've been winning TechSoc for the past 3 years?
Yeah.
How do you think that's happening if any of us were not winning interest in it?
Yeah, I know. But it was only few seniors participated in it.
My god. Dude, what do you want? The entire hostel to come and participate in TechSoc? What if they're not interested, da? Maybe they're not.
Dude, you haven't even been to your department yet. You're just doing some basic courses right now. Do you realize how much stress we have? Do you realize how much pressure we handle? You haven't met real profs yet.
Yeah, maybe I'm wrong. But people are not taking ACADS also seriously.
They're serious enough to get a degree, da. What else do you want? Everybody is not as stirred as you, okay? What the hell is your problem, da? People are happy the way they are, okay? There's no need for you to worry so much.
Yeah, like I said before, maybe I'm wrong. but it's nice to see people interested.
Dude, enough da. You seem to be going on and on. What do you know about this place? You're not even a complete IITian yet. Yet you act as if you know all about us. That's shit, dude. That's bullshit. People here are no way inferior to you, da. If they're interested in something, they'll do it. Pack. Just give me one reason why people should be interested in all this.
I want to leave. My friends are waiting.
Acha, let's pack. We have class now.
Kaushik, you're back. Please not assignment.